You can use videos to kind of reinvent your image.
I don't think of it as reinventing so much, like how can I be different or how can I be this? I really just say this is who I am at this moment in time. And that's the kind of the reinvention, is because no matter what, you always grow as a person. You always change. You don't have to go, well, this worked last time, this is what I should do. Or this is what people are doing right now, so that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
Right? None of that. It's just like, who am I right now? And what is my music saying? Because that's usually what happens with music, is that a lot of you comes out in the wash.
You do a big variety of videos. Your videos never look the same. You know, a lot of times artists, they do a string of videos, and you look at the first one, and they may do 10 videos, and it look like one long video.
Right.
You know, and I know you did a video called Play. Extremely futuristic. Who came up with the concept for this video?
Actually, again, this was Francis Lawrence, who was like, I have a great idea about a club on a plane jet thing, and he just showed me a couple of different pictures. And this again was a type of song where it wasn't like, oh, we have to do this and I have a great idea for the video, you know. It was more like I was open to it. When I'm open to things, for some reason I go to Francis, because he'll always come with an interesting, different concept. He's one of those very talented directors. He has that type of vision. I mean, look at this stuff. It's just so, you haven't seen anything like it since, and you didn't see anything like it before. I mean, there's really some great visual stuff in here, and he still at the same time let me be the center of it. This stuff looks crazy to me. Like, what is that?
Yeah.
And a lot of it was shot on green screen. It's just me on this little thing going around in a circle with a green screen behind me. So you're like, what is this gonna look like? This was all green screen.
And those are computer-generated effects.
Yeah, it's like that's always the play button there. Like you can press play.
Because it turns me on.
J.Lo, who came up with that concept? Because that's when you guys started really pushing the J.Lo. It was cute.
This was the J.Lo moment in
right?
time.
Yeah.
The J.Lo thing is basically a nickname. Jennifer Lo, Jenny Lo, have been in a couple of rap songs actually. I Want a Girl's Gonna Ride With Me, like Jennifer Lo rides with Puff. You know what I mean? It was like different things like that had come out. Heavy D had been calling me Jenny Lo for a while, and then I realized, like, when I went to different places like MTV, over TRL, or went to Europe, and that people would have little things like Jennifer Lo, Jenny Lo, J.Lo, and so when I went to name this album, I was like, I think this is who they've kind of endeared to, you know, as the musical person that I am, and so I just said, well, this is J.Lo. This is your J.Lo. This is it. I mean, it was just a really kind of a like thing that the fans came up with.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I don't think they knew that they were responsible for naming J.Lo.
It's true, and that's why I decided to do it.